when you first take off your wig and you got like the little gunk on there, you know? Like, let's see. Like the little gunk. What I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna clean that off. I'm gonna show you how I clean it off. So first I start off with taking my wig and putting it under really hot water. My sink is pretty hot. You can boil water if you want. But I'm going to run it under hot water, and then I'm going to take some Dawn soap. There it is. And I just pour the Dawn soap on wherever the gunk really is. And then I take my hands and I rub it along there to make sure it really gets in there, make sure it gets moisturized. Then after that, I press the frontal part down into the water and let it soak. We're going to let it soak for about 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes, this is what I got. I hope this is easy and fast for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.